I really didn't have the motivation to make a video tonight. So I went and I got a cup of coffee. I'm gonna make it look like a giant cup of coffee. I got me a giant cup of coffee. But anyway, hazelnut. No motivation. Just wanted to sit here and stare at the ceiling. Count the ceiling tiles. You ever do that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. I can only count ceiling tiles so often. You know, I can't do it every day. So I decided to just press the record button on the phone and see what happens. See what happens. So I got my stir sticks. I use them as drums. So anyway, stir sticks. I really don't know what to talk about because I have no motivation. How do you get past motivation? Or how do you get past not having motivation is what I kind of meant. See, I can't even think straight. Oh, maybe I need to get a drink of my coffee. Oh. Woo. Hazelnut. Well, it's been about 2 minutes and I haven't said a dang thing. So I'm going to pause this. I found something to play with. Oh no. It makes my eyes look weird. Oh my gosh, look at my eyes. My eyes. Ooh, man. At least they're round. If they look like lizard eyes, I'd be kind of afraid of myself. There might be some emergency. Oh no, I think there's an emergency. I see flashy lights. Oh no. So I stood up, walked around for a little bit, thought about it, came back, and I decided, I don't know what the heck I'm doing. So, I just have no motivation. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. So what do you do when you have no motivation? When you just can't think of anything? Nothing. Can't think of anything to put on a video for YouTube. I don't know. Sometimes I just get up and walk around, kick something, look at stuff. I don't know. What do you do? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. I'm out of here.